video, we are going to cover introductory part of alkenes. First of all, covering questions related to introduction part of alkenes. Question number 1 is, explain why alkenes are called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkenes are the compounds which are made up of only carbon and hydrogen atoms, in which valencies of at least 2 carbon atoms are not fully satisfied by hydrogen atoms because of the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. So because of the deficiency of hydrogen atoms as compared to the alkanes, because of presence of at least one carbon-carbon double bond, alkenes are also called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now covering question number 2 and 3 related to introduction part of alkenes. Question number 2 is, explain why alkenes are also known as olefins. So alkenes are also known as olefins because they have tendency to make or form oily products on treatment with halogens. Question number 3 is, what is the general term which is used for carbon-carbon double bond? So its answer is olefinic bond. Carbon-carbon double bond is commonly called as olefinic bond. Now covering sources of alkenes. First of all, distribution part. Alkenes very rarely occur free in nature, though ethene occurs naturally in very small amount in plants. Main sources of alkenes. Alkenes are produced in large amounts during thermal cracking, which is pyrolysis process of petroleum, which is a hydrocarbon product. Now covering nomenclature or naming part of alkenes. For writing IUPAC name of alkenes, you have to write down word root that will be according to the number of carbon atom in the parent chain, followed by primary suffix -ene. For writing common name, you have to write down word root followed by YLENE part. General formula for alkenes is CnH2n, where N denotes number of carbon atom in the compound. First member of alkene series is ethene. It contains 2 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. In case of alkene, whatever be the number of carbon atoms, number of hydrogen atom will be double of that. Its name is ethene because there are 2 carbon atoms, and as word root for 2 carbon atom is eth, so we have to write down eth plus primary suffix -ene, which makes it ethene. Common name is ethylene. Second member of alkene series is propene. There are 3 carbon atoms and overall 6 hydrogen atoms. Its common name is propylene. We have to write down word root prop followed by YLENE. So it is propylene. It is not necessary to mention the position of double bond up to second member of alkene series. This is because up to 3 carbon atom member, double bond always acquire first position. Now covering electronic structure part of alkene. Since only ethene is there in our course, so we are going to make electronic structure of only ethene. In case of ethene, there are 2 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen atom carries 1 electron and each carbon atom carries 4 electrons in its valence shell. Carbon-carbon atoms share 2 pair of electrons, forming double bond in between them. And each carbon shares 1 electron with 2 hydrogen atoms, forming CH-CH single bonds. Now covering structural formula for ethene. In case of ethene, since carbon-carbon atom shares 2 pair of electrons, that is why there will be double bond between carbon atoms, and since each carbon atom shares 1 electron with 2 hydrogen atoms, that is why there will be formation of CH-CH bonds with each carbon atom. So overall, there are 4 carbon-hydrogen bonds and 1 double bond in between carbon atoms in case of ethene. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel.